Hello. Our class today is about parts of speech. Parts of speech are the building blocks of language. They categorize words based on their function in a sentence. Here are the main parts of speech. 1. Nouns, words that name people, places, things, or ideas. Example: dog, city, happiness, freedom, peace. 2. Pronouns, words that replace nouns. Example: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. I have a little sister. She's so pretty and smart. 3. Verbs, words that express actions or states of being. Example: run, jump, is, was. 4. Adjectives, words that describe nouns or pronouns. Example: big, red, happy. 5. Adverbs, words that describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Example: quickly, very, often. 6. Prepositions, words that show relationships between nouns or pronouns and other words in a sentence. Example: in, on, at, of, for. 7. Conjunctions, words that connect words, phrases, or clauses. Example: and, but, or, because. 8. Interjections, words that express strong emotions or surprise. Example: wow, ouch, hooray. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to get more.